Guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today we're traveling to Cuba, and this episode starts right now. Welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. As I mentioned, I'm taking you guys to Cuba today. I am making some Bistec Empanizado and some red beans and rice, which is breaded cube steak. Yum, yum. Ingredients behind me, let's go check them out. Hey guys, here are the ingredients for our Cuban style breaded steak or Bistec Empanizado. I've got a whole sleeve of saltine crackers, Italian breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, a third a cup of milk. I have a tablespoon and a quarter of salt. No, I take that back. A tablespoon of salt. I have a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, half a tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. I've got a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of cumin, and I have half a tablespoon of black pepper. I also have half a medium onion in here, half a green pepper. I have a bay leaf, 2 tiny bay leaves, and I have a tablespoon and a half of vegetable oil. So I'll meet you at the stove and let's get cooking. Welcome back. We are at the stove. I forgot to mention during my ingredients that I also have 1 cup of dry red beans, short red beans, and 2 cups of water in my famous little magic pot here because I pressure cooked them for 14 minutes. You don't need to do that. You can cover it in a pot and boil them. You'll have to boil them for at least an hour. Or if you want to use canned beans, you can. Canned red beans. Small beans. So now here I have at my stove my onions and my green pepper with my bay leaves. For 1 second to let you guys know, before you put the lid on your rice, make sure it starts to boil. When it starts to boil with your rice in it, then you have to drop it to 1 before medium and let it start cooking. And we're going to stir it twice. We're not going to uncover it that many times, only twice, and I'm going to show you. 10 minutes have gone by, and I want to take a second, and I want to show you guys how I stir my rice, okay? These stainless steel pots are hot, okay? So watch this. Let me lower my camera to show you how I do it, okay? So we're going to grab our spoon, and we're going to stir, and we're going to go under, and we're going to go under this way. So what we have on the bottom can come to the top, and what we have on the top can go to the bottom. So it's over, under. Okay, so over, under. My God, it's starting to look so delicious. I'm back, and my station is ready, you guys. Holy moly. Look at this. Beautiful cube steaks. I have half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, and look at this, you guys. I have a whole sleeve of saltine crackers. This with this. This is how we're going to bread our steaks. Oh my God, it's so easy and delicious. And I'm going to show you how I dip one. When I come back, we're going to start breading these. They're going to be done. We're going to put them in ½ an inch of oil in our frying pan, which we don't have to deep fry this or anything. You'll see it's beautiful, and you don't want to miss. This is so delicious, you guys. I'll be right back. Check this out. I have 1 glove on, wet hand, dry hand. Watch this. So you're going to grab your cube steak and you're going to put it in the egg mixture. You're going to submerge it in the egg mixture. Then we're going to put it in our breading here, which is our sleeve of saltine crackers and our Italian breadcrumbs. Reason why I didn't put any more spices to overspice this was because, keep in mind, the saltines already have some salt. So that's why I only put a small pinch. But this is like, I mean, they sell this thing back home where I'm from in Miami called galleta molida to make bistec empanizado, and it's hard to find here. So the next best thing is this. Grab a sleeve of saltine crackers. God, my mouth's always watering so much when I cook. I love to cook so much. Oh my God. So we've got 1 steak down. I'm going to bread the other 3. I'm going to heat up my oil. I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you how fast I make this. And you guys, you don't want to miss this. I will be right back. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow. Almost done. We're done, and it's that time, you guys. Oh my God. Ready to taste. All right, let's put some of our rice. Oh my God, this is beautiful. You guys, this is some yum yum stuff. Oh my God. Let me grab myself my nice breaded cube steak with my little piece of lemon that I'm going to put on my steak. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God. As my boss at work would say, what? Oh my God. Now, you guys, I have my butter knife, my fork, and my little piece of lemon. Squeeze it on my breaded. This is optional, but oh man, I love my acid. You guys know that. My little piece of lime. Now I'm gonna cut this. You can almost cut this like a hamburger. That's how perfect this is. Oh my God. Get some of the rice. Okay, I'm ready to taste now, you guys. It's hot. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, God. I'm scared. That's hot. Here we go. God, it's so delicious, you guys. Incredible how a sleeve of saltine crackers, excuse me, made this exactly, almost, if not the same or almost exact as the galleta molida that you buy in Miami to bread your steaks. Oh my God. I'm not sure though. Try it again. All right, let's see here. Okay, here we go. This rice and beans is so tasty. Oh my God. Oh, you can taste the paprika. You can taste the garlic. Oh my God. Beautiful Cuban dinner. Oh my God. I can't. God. You guys, if you want to use a can of beans, same procedure with your onions, all the spices. Just put the can of beans with the rice. Remember, my friends, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you. And if you haven't, feel free to subscribe and don't forget the notification bell. That'll notify you every time I have a new video. Until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, as I always say, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. Until next time, I will be back and I will see you then. Take care. Bye.